Hello guys, my name is Dylan. I'm 22. I'm from Slovenia. Part-time trader. Just have passion for charts, and I wanna, maybe give you some knowledge or encourage you, or just to share my ideas. And if you like them, you like them. If they plays out, they plays out. If they don't, they don't. But feel free to reach me out, comment, or do whatever you want. But here is the. This is just looking at the charts, and I saw euro dollar from the last week. It was very nice. As you can see, I was just drawing something just to show you easier, but I will break down some charts also. So as you can see what happened last week, price make this important move to the upside. It broke this high up here. We came into the buy region, and you can see in 15 minutes, which is the time frame on somehow intraday slash day conference time frame. For me, or more long positions to last longer. As you can see, price filled this gap on that happened on market open. Why? Because there was a lot of buyers present in the market, and the sellers were not strong enough, and it just euro went up. Then it decreases. As you can see, price always has to fill the gap, or it almost always fills the gap, and then it continues to the upside or to the downside, to whichever reason it wants to go, pardon, direction it wants to go. As you can see, price on 15 minutes, as you can see, price came into our buy region on a higher time frame, and after this move to the downside happened, we wanted at least this to break. If not, we will not go into buy. I will not go into buys, and this did not happen. And when there is no high that is broken, the low all usually gets broken, breaks. Just guys to talk a bit faster because I don't want to make too long videos. Yeah. Anyway. And as you can see, the next task that I set for price is to break this high. Why? Because it was strong consolidation. It was a strong high that made before this low was broken, and this was just the downtrend in small time frame. So this is first confirmation that the price will continue higher. As you can see, once it happened, we identify our buy zone to the trigger right here. We have conservative stop loss below our below our I could say higher time frame low and conservative below small time frame low. You can make just two positions, split risk into two, and then let the price do what it needs to do. And as you can see, first take profit because we're on a higher time frame. Mm, because I still have to forgot to purchase premium again. I will do it in a bit. But as you can see, first target will be here. Why? Because it's hike an important target for the price to hit on higher time frame when the price does this. Hike, low, low, hike. You usually go with the trend, and this is the first target. If you buy here, and then second is the same as this, or your selling zone on higher time frame, and which is I just did. So as you can see, price reached the first target, bit continued to the downside. Second target maybe. This is strong hike that was made, so this is in a way also sell zone, but we are on an uptrend. So I'm expecting price to drop further down here and then continue higher, or if it give us the good enough reasons to sell before we get into buys, I will do that also. But yeah, so mainly looking for price to come here and then continue to the upside, or to break this and to look for any sales from here. Mm, Other than that, I will just leave it. Let's just go into next pair, which is, let's see, randomly euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar. Hmm, Let's see. No, I won't do euro. I will do something else because it was euro USD. So let's go with US dollar yen. Interesting pair, which I don't like right now. But it looks like that gold was dropping, of course, because growing because US dollar was dropping. What just said? No, I said wrong. Increase in yen, increase in gold. Okay, great. Hmm, Okay, let's do US dollar yen. Okay, I don't like. I would not trade this pair at all. Why? Because just horrible price action. This gold dollar. Yeah, just like this. It's not that clean, but they usually correlate, negatively. The dollar goes up, the yen goes down, and vice versa. But yeah, this is bad price action. I will not trade it. But what is nice that in a way we can see price got so up, so high that it has to come down. But I will not guess anything. Just looking at its horrible price action on smaller time frames. Then this. Let's go another pair. I'll just click randomly. Euro, Swiss franc, bad price action. Pound yen, bad price action. Euro dollar, which is now solid. Dollar franc. Okay, okay. Okay, so how what I see is we are just now we now just approach this buy zone right here, or not even a good buy zone. Why? Because it's just a messy price section. So overall, I wait for price to, I think, to break this low first. I'll just leave it. Okay, so I'll just draw something. This price with this, we wait for this, and then buys from here. I don't know where. Any confirmation, of course, or just buy with your higher time frame. But if price does or shows us something into this region right here, we wait for price to return higher into this area right here. So it's not that much opportunity, just bear in mind that there is a Swiss franc and it's quite, you know, messy in a way. No, 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 no. So when price came into our buy zone, which was very bad and not strong, we would wait for this to be broken. So no. So maybe what can also happen is that price break this, goes down, and then maybe continue higher. But now we just wait and watch. But quite nice zone we have right here. So why would I say it's important zone? Because look what happened. Here was obviously, I just show you the volume, which is quite nice to use sometimes. Look at this. For how long? For so it was 2 days, not even less, 1.5 day. Price was just consolidating, and then bam, it went up. It means that there was a lot of buyers volume present into the market. So what naturally has to happen is the price comes back into this area where there was buyers also already, because they can make, in a way, price to come down and to trigger some of their buy positions again, and to price to react, so they get more money. Or just easily said. Oh, okay, let's go forward. I don't advise you to trade this pair. Also. Pound, dollar. Hmm. How they call it? It has a nickname. Forgot a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure. But it's, if you trade euro dollar, trade euro dollar. If you trade pound dollar, trade pound dollar. But it's quite similar in a way. But here you see even a bit cleaner price action. Just to explain you what happens. So as you can see, look at this. This was the last low and hike, so it was the last uptrend. After this, uptrend, after this low was broken, uptrend was not anymore in a play. So price came up into this sell area right here, and it dropped. As you can see, check, 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 check. And here is clean price action, which I like, because as you can see, price break is low, and then there was still good region to sell, but as you can see, this spike gave us a first, maybe price can continue higher. Why? Because it disrupted, you could say, even an order flow of sellers. So buyers come into the market, and from here on, price just continue higher. which is quite nice. So what I'm looking for now is for price to, it's similar like on euro dollar, is for price to reach this area right here, or to just, you know, to come down into this region or somewhere here even. I would say somewhere here, because you can see it made a low, it made a high, which means that there is an uptrend in play. Just wait and see what price tells us, but you know, we'll see. Strandor, you do not want to do that again because we already made two. This is not a good price action. Okay, this can be quite interesting maybe. Euro, Australian dollar, as you can see, just like this. So just let's just read the price action. Price made a low, made a hike, came into this region right here. So it made it, but this is not really strong price action. I just want to explain it. So it was make it was downtrend, still downtrend, downtrend. So so I want to just do this. So after this hike or this downtrend was how could I say, this spike of the hike showed us that this downtrend is not, well, maybe not so strong anymore. And now we can look for buys because of it. I will just drop on 15 minute. It's nice because it actually can give us good reasons to go long on this par. So let's just see what happens. I want price to break this hike. If the price don't break it, we won't look for buys. So what I would do is just wait the price to come here, and then we can look for buys. And yeah, but if not, we just wait and don't do anything. Um, Euro, Australian dollar. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. And it's good why, because we are quite low and we can expect naturally price to increase finally. This is the pair you would want to trade for. The trade you would want to trade to be in a position for a longer period of time, but it doesn't mean that price will go. Just saying that from what I see right now is that we are quite bullish. We can just check the volume as well. Yep, we have bullish volume coming to the market. So 4 hours, and you have sellers volume decreasing, which is good on to the to the way down into our buy area. And you could also do just buy and not randomly, but from where we are, and safe stop loss would be here the safest, but not with risk reward. Let's leave take profit open. Maybe this could be a nice trade idea. So I don't know. We see. Let's go for over 2 or 3 pairs, and then I will wrap it up because I don't want to be too long. Gold. I know a lot of you likes to trade gold. I, to be honest, didn't trade gold a lot. Uh, but interesting area. It was this stat already. No, it was not. Oh, gold. This is interesting area for me. Want price to come into it. Maybe when it did, but from now, we are in uh, weak season, so maybe some sales can happen here. But overall, I would look for buys around here and wait to see what price does in this region right here. So I'm guessing gold. Talking more time frame. Nothing too much. I would wait with gold. And yeah, let's wait. I want gold. It's not really my pair to trade, but from what I see as a trader, we can wait for price action to develop here and look for sellers into this region down here, or just wait for price action to develop, price steps this, or even continue all the way down to this area right here. But yeah, what I like is that we are actually still in downtrend. Why? Because you see, this was a strong move to the downside. This was broken. It means price made a high, made a low, uh, and Yeah, shares are still, you know, in a play for sellers, I could say. But it's really interesting that price made high here and made a low here. It broke this and this low, even this it spiked. So it means that here was some shift in the direction of the market. So even price are not too wrong into these regions. So let's just wait and see what price does right here or when it comes into this zone right here. We would call it. Yeah, and of course we have also some room for price to come all the way up here, but this is still time to still it's time to do it. Let's go forward. Euro yen, not clean price action. Euro New Zealand dollar, we did so much euro today already. New Zealand dollar yen, no. Swiss franc yen, as you can see, very not really clean price action. Why would I say that? Because look at how prices moved for the last, I don't know, 15 days. But what I see from this price action is that price will drop. Why? Because we just see weak and buyers and sellers, but we don't see really strong buys coming into the market. So if we are that high, price also has to, return. And when will that happen? No one knows. But I would just stay away from this pair. And you can also see, I'm just explaining how I see it. You can see how weak this high was, or this high, how weak it was closed above previous high. It's not very strong indication. But in a way, we are in an uptrend, short-term uptrend. So this was potential okay buy. But as you can see how strong the sellers come into this buy zone right here. You should not be buying from here. So the best is just to wait for price to break this low and then to look for sellers right here. Mm, yeah, but very nasty. Swiss pairs are very nasty to trade. I mean, depends for who, but I don't like them. Not clean at all. Pound New Zealand dollar. Mm, no. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's see. Okay. So once you start seeing this kind of price action, you see it just go up and down. It's called consolidation. It means that either this will happen or this will happen. But yeah, it's interesting. Prices trying to go and to reach for this, even this either this high and to spike it or to drop from it from the zone. So I would just look and be, you know, look for price action to show us on higher time frame what it wants to do. And for me, to be honest, yeah, be nice to see if price develop this and then this, and I'd like to see it come down the down here. So not really nothing special. Even on small time frames, we don't have any green zone to break. So the first thing I would want price to break as from now is this low right here, which is just too low. As you can see, 60 pips below. So yeah, let's hope price does something like this. Make strong high, make some strong low even, and then change the direction to the downside, and then we can look for some buys. This is guys, I see that there is a time, only 20 seconds left of this recording or publishing the idea. I hope it was nice for you to see the while in the market, and let's see how the pairs plays out. It's trading never 100% sure, but yeah, I wish you a very good week and God bless you.